my name is Leo Garkovsky, and we're at ISC Labs, San Diego, California, and today we're going to show you how to properly clean an IBM 3490 tape drive. First off, we're going to need some denatured alcohol, and then along with a lint-free tech wipe, a flathead screwdriver, of course a 5/32 Allen wrench to actually open up the cabinet, and then a can of compressed air. Alright, so we're at the back of the cabinet of the 3490 that we're going to do the drive head cleaning on. We're going to take our 5/32 Allen wrench and actually unlock the cabinet. So we're going to insert it into the lock and rotate it about 20 degrees to release the locking mechanism. Now today we're going to be cleaning this drive here. So what we're going to want to do is actually take the drive offline by pressing down on the switch here. And then we're actually going to power off the drive by pushing the switch into the off position. Alright, now that that's done, the next step is to remove the carter pin that's actually holding the locking mechanism for the drive in place. And then once that's out there, we're actually going to slide the pin into the opposite direction of the drive that we're working on. Since we're going to clean this one, I'm actually pushing the pin this way into this direction. And then I'll just insert the pin back here just so that we don't lose it. Now what we want to do is actually slide the drive off out in place, and then the main thing is to make sure any cables that might be in the way are safely cleared. And then once we get it down out here, we're actually going to have to take off this dust cover. And we do that by just taking our flathead screwdriver and unscrewing the screws here, keeping it in place. And we don't have to fully take them out, we just have to loosen them slightly. And then the dust pan just comes out like so. These are the actual components that we're going to be cleaning on the drive itself. This is the tension transducer right here. It does not rotate. And these are the actual bearings up in the front of the drive. On the opposite side we have the decoupler, which is located right here. And this is the actual reading head of the drive that we're going to be cleaning today. So we're going to be cleaning all of these components. We're going to get our can of compressed air here, and we're just going to shake loose any dust particles that might be on those main components. Alright, we're going to take our alcohol and our wipe pad and just get a little bit of alcohol on the pad. We don't need a lot. And then wrap the pad around your finger, and we're actually going to end up cleaning the head first. Reason being is that the cloth is clean already, so we don't want to get it dirty and then end up cleaning the head later. And what we're going to want to do is just go from the center out. So I'll usually go from the center to the right side a couple of times, and then once again from the center to the left side. Never up and down. Once that's done, I usually move to the tension transducer itself, and you just want to give it a nice wipe. Going to get a little more alcohol. Now the decoupler. And then lastly, the drive heads. And once that's done, we're just going to want to take a look at the fan here and just make sure we clear this of any debris that might be stuck, any dust particles. All right. Once that's done, I'm going to take my compressed air again and then just go over those same areas to make sure that they're dry. And then we're going to put the dust pan back on. I usually align it by these two marks right here. And then they just slide into place like so. And now we're going to retighten the screws. Make sure you don't over tighten them, just a little bit. Will be more than enough. Now that the unit's clean, we're just going to push it back into its normal position. Just be mindful of any cables that might be kind of in the way. Then we're going to push the actual locking pin back into the position that it was at before to lock the unit back in place. And then make sure you clean this fan just of any dust particles that might be here. And make sure you don't use the compressed air on the fan because it'll just blow those particles back into the unit. We don't want to do that. Now we're going to actually bring the drive back. First thing we're going to do is move the switch into the on position. And then we're just going to flip the switch from offline to online. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching our video. This concludes the cleaning portion of the IBM 3490 tape drive. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call at 1-877-ISC-TAPE and select option 1. Thank you.